So here's a funny story. I've been losing knives out of my pocket. The day that I lost the first one, it was nighttime when I realized it was missing from my pocket. It normally clips into my right-hand pocket, like I've got this one right here. And it was just missing that night. But that day I had been all over the pasture. I'd been around the property. I'd been doing all kinds of stuff. So it was like, oh gosh, I have no clue where it is. I searched and searched and searched. Didn't see it. So finally grabbed a spare knife I had that wasn't great, but it was something. Threw that in my pocket. Literally like a day or two after that, that one was suddenly missing. I had no clue where it had gone. Searched and searched again out in the pasture. I was convinced that the brush and thorns and stuff that I was traipsing through was pulling the clip up out of my pocket and it was dropping out in the field somewhere. So I've been convinced that they were just getting lost out in the field. So I finally bought this new one and have been, carrying it around, super conscious of is it there? Is it there? Is it there? Is it there? Trying to be aware of if it fell out or not. And if it did, then okay, where was I immediately before it fell out? But I was just in here in the shop working on the tracker, and I walked back here to try to find some parts, and something caught my eye hanging on this shade cloth. Oh, it's a knife. Look at that. It snagged while I was walking by, and oh look, there's another knife. Literally, this thing has been stealing my knives as I walk by it. Here's the spare one that I used. That's the second one I lost. Here's the first one that I lost. It's really nice to see this guy again. It was a lot more expensive than the spare one. So that's cool. I got my knives back. And now I know to be really careful when I walk by that thing, or maybe I should move it.